This afternoon, Bernie Herman was led out of court and taken to prison. The longtime RCMP officer was sentenced today in the killing of his former lover, Braden Herman. The two are not related. Bernie Herman had earlier been convicted of manslaughter. Today, he was sentenced to 11 years in jail. His victim's brother says that's not nearly long enough.
It's as fair as it's going to be for this country. Just the way our system's set up, it's not really set up too great, so that's probably as best we're going to get. Nothing will ever bring my brother back, and no sentence will be right.
Court heard how the two were in a romantic relationship. Bernie Herman fatally shot Braden Herman with his RCMP service pistol in a remote field, left him naked, and drove over him as he fled the scene, all while wearing his RCMP uniform. The Crown prosecutor says this is an extreme case of intimate partner violence.
The decision today is a significant sentence in a case that recognized that there was an element of intimate partner violence that drove this behavior. We know that intimate partner violence is a huge problem in our province, and what Bernie Herman did in killing Braden Herman, there can be no mistake, was the ultimate act of domestic violence.
But the judge also noted several mitigating factors. He said Bernie Herman confessed early in the process, pointed investigators to the body's location, and was deemed a low risk to reoffend.
I expect they'll want to keep an eye out for him, though. Obviously, that's one of the factors that we had in the case law, talking about, when you're a police officer, you're potentially at higher risk and you have a target on your back. So it's going to be a difficult situation for him.
Herman's lawyer says he has not yet had a chance to speak to his client, but when he does, they'll discuss the option of an appeal. As for the Crown, they were initially pressing for a murder conviction, but the manslaughter conviction is something that they're already appealing, and they'll consider an appeal of the sentence as well. Jason Warwick, CBC News, Prince Albert.